Good morning and happy Monday. Let's look at what we have in store for you today. So, this week we are going to be focusing on nonfiction books. So, nonfiction is not fake. So, it is true information, facts about animals. Maybe it's about history. So, nonfiction is true. So, what you're going to do is you are going to learn about the different text features in a nonfiction book. So, you're going to watch this video and you're going to learn all about the parts of a nonfiction book. So, the glossary, the index, table of contents, things like that. Once you're done watching this video, you are going to choose an article to read or a book to read, but they need to be nonfiction. Okay, so you're going to choose a nonfiction book. If you want to use the links on this site, so if you want to use Wonderopolis or Time for Kids, you have to be on Safari. So if you are on the Canvas app, the links will not work. So you make sure that you are going into Canvas through Safari to use the links. Okay. So what you're going to do today is you are going to tell us what you read, and you're going to tell us 3 facts that you learned from the article or the book that you read. Okay, and then you are going to either type your answer, submit a video or an audio recording, and you're going to submit it in a Canvas. So again, make sure you're reading a nonfiction book. So it has to be true. For writing today, we are going to be creating a storyboard to help us tell a story. So what you are going to do is you can either write a narrative or you can write a made-up story. Okay, so a narrative is a true story that happened to yourself, or you can just write a fantasy story. So you are going to you need either 5 index cards, 5 sticky notes, or 5 pieces of paper, markers, colored pencils, crayons, or just a pencil. And please make sure you keep these cards that you're going to make today because you're going to use them for tomorrow's lesson. So you're going to watch this video, and after you watch this video, you are going to create your cards. So the first and last card, you are going to draw your characters. Okay, so these will be the same. So on 2 of the cards, they're going to look exactly the same, and they are your characters. On the other 3 cards, you're going to draw events that happen to your characters. So there will be a different event on each of the 3 cards. So for example, if I'm writing a story about my dog, I draw a picture of my dog. Okay, and then maybe I'm going to tell a story about how we first got our dog. Okay, so maybe on my first little post-it, I'm going to draw a picture of me and my husband searching online, researching German Shepherds. Okay, then the next event was driving to go get our dog. So maybe I'll draw us in the car. And then the third event would be us picking up Severus and taking him to the pet store and buying all the things that we need for him. Okay. So once you do that, you're going to lay your cards out. So you're going to make a storyboard that tells your story. Okay, so you're going to put the pictures in order. And then you're going to tell your story to someone at your house. Okay, so you're going to take a picture of the 5 cards laying in order. Okay, and then you're going to screen record yourself telling the story. So you're not writing the story today, you're just telling it. Think of it as a book without words. So just a picture book that has no words. That's like what you're creating today. And that's what you're going to submit. Okay. So that is writing. For math, you have a few different things to do. The first thing is your number routine. We've done this before. You're going to make 2 connections with 2 facts. Okay. Then you're going to share your thinking in Monday's number routine column. Then you're going to play ST Math for 20 minutes, and then you're going to play Race to 500 or 3-digit subtraction action. If you forget how to play it, please watch the videos Miss Cheryl made. They're really funny. And then this is the most important thing about math today. So today you will be taking Unit 2 pre-assessment. Okay? You are going to follow these steps to find your test. Okay? So you're going to first, it says go to eSchool. Okay, go to eSchool. Now, next, find OLA testing in the blue box. So I'm going to go to the blue box, hit OLA testing. I'm going to click on that. Now let's see what the next step is. Log into online testing. Okay, log into online testing. Okay, now student ID and your password. So once you get to this login, this is your student ID. This will be your password. Okay, when you log in, you are going to see a test that says Unit 2 pre-assessment. It's going to be in yellow. You are going to click on that. Okay, it's going to take you into the test, but first you have to hit the next button in the bottom of the screen, and then it'll bring you up to the questions. There are 10 questions. Please, please, please make sure you answer all 10 questions. Since this is a pre-assessment, if you don't know an answer, that's okay. Just try your best, all right? And please do not get any help from any adults, because this pre-assessment is to help me help you. So if you get help from an adult, that doesn't show me what you know, okay? Once you're finished, just submit done into Canvas, and that tells me you're done with the pre-assessment. And then for word study, you're going to learn about consonant digraphs. You have a class kick assignment to do. So please take a screenshot of your matched words and upload it into Canvas. Okay? And then that is your day. You have music today, I believe. Let's double check. You have music today, so please check out what your music teacher has for you today. And other than that, have a fantastic Monday, and I will see everyone at 2 o'clock in our closing Zoom meetings. Bye.